Hey Alonzo, my name is Devin Norton with Plumber HVAC Leads, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free, it's resulted in some of these local business owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Devin, please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that works for me too. Just please give me back a little bit of feedback and let me know what you thought. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. And the first thing I'm going to talk about is going to be content. So your website is a great looking website. It's very, very clean. I love that you have a map down here. You've got some nice photos, and the breakup of the gray, the white, the black, and the blue is just a really great look for the website. Google doesn't rank you based off of how good looking your website is. What they do is they want to make sure that you're going to answer all the questions of their customers. And so the website that typically answers most of the customers is the one that has the most words on the front page. And so to be an optimized website, you're going to want to have between 1,500 and 2,000 words. The average website on the first page of Google right now has about 1,890. You're currently sitting probably around like 300 words. And so the first tip would definitely be to get yourself up to about 1,500 to 2,000. You're also going to want to target keywords that are going to bring you a lot of traffic. So I can show you some of the keywords that you're ranking for right now. If we sort it by volume. So like Plumber Fremont CA, 400 people search for that every single month. So you want to be number 1 for that and get all that business. You're at the beginning of the 5th page. Also, you have Plumbers Oakland CA, 200 people search for that every month. You're at the beginning of the 9th page. Fremont Plumbing, 200 people search for that. You're on the end of the 3rd page. Plumber Hayward, 200 people search for that. You're on the middle of the 4th page. So you can see these keywords, you want to have these within your content so you can rank for them, and Google knows to rank you for those keywords. But that's also another reason why you want to have so much more content so you can naturally fit those keywords in there about 2 or 3 times. You can also save your images as keywords. So if I go here and if I could see your images, here we go, save image as. This could be saved as like Plumber Fremont CA, and it'll help you rank for that keyword. So that's tip number 1. My second tip is called backlinks. So backlinks are when another company, another website links to you, driving traffic to you. And Google looks for this because they want to make sure you're trustworthy, and that's their way of judging if another company's vouching for you. But they do want to see relevant links, which means you're going to get a lot more power from another plumbing company linking to you than if you had pizza linking to you, because they know that you're not slinging pizzas. So I use this tool to check it out. It's the same one I showed you for the keywords. It's called Ahrefs. It does cost about $1,000 a month. You don't have to pay for it. You can go get there's a bunch of free tools that show you all this information. I just use this because it makes it really, really simple for the business I do. But it says you have 18 websites linking to you right now, while Pete's Pipes, which is the one who's ranking number 1 for Plumber Fremont CA, these guys have 34 websites linking to them. Now, it is a tool. It's not exact information, but it gives you a great idea of what's going on. And the good news is they're only about double what you have, about 16 more websites than you. Now, I wouldn't say to just go get 16 websites and match them. You're going to want to dominate them. So I would go say get all 34 of these websites they have, apply them to yourself, and blow them out of the water. So you literally just go see all these websites that are linking to them. You visit these websites, you either click the Contact Us button or the Create an Account button. Excuse me. And you get those links going right back to you. And if you beat these guys with content and you beat them with backlinks, then you're going to take their organic ranking and you're going to take all their traffic. The last thing is when somebody does type in Plumber Fremont CA and they're ready to buy, or they have some sort of emergency, they're going to call the first plumber that they see. And you obviously want to be that plumber. Those are going to be the easiest customers to close. We already know that people skip these ads all the time, so where you're going to want to rank yourself is in the Google My Business section. To get here, you need to have more citations than your competitor. And citations is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. If you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information. So some that you may know are going to be like Yelp, Yext, CityStar, White Pages, Yellow Pages. Even Facebook has a directory section these days. My favorite strategy here is to figure out what directories the top guys are listed in, list myself in those same ones, and then add a bunch more on top. So if I found that West Coast Plumbing was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in 250, if not 300. But that's all I've got for you, Alonzo. I hope you found this informative. I try to keep it short and sweet, but also helpful. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on this front page. Save all your images as keywords. You're going to also want to get about a total of probably 50 websites linking to you. And then you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than these guys. Now, Alonzo, if you follow these tips today, you're going to be #1 across Google. So you're probably asking, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. I just ask you to send me back a sentence or two of feedback to let me know what you thought about the information. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save the time, you can just give me a call at 805-618-6426. Once again, Lonzo, my name is Devin Norton, and my phone number is 805-618-6426. I do appreciate you watching this video. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great one. Bye.